Dear students, welcome to this scoring package video program. In the last video, we proved basic trigonometric identities. In this video, we are going to learn about trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. First of all, let us recall what complementary angles are. Complementary angles. Two angles are said to be complementary if their sum is equal to 90 degree. Example 60 degree 30 degree. Example 2 80 degree 10 degree. Example 3 45 degree 45 degree, etc. Let us take another example. Draw a right triangle ABC like this. In triangle ABC, let angle B equal to 90 degree. Therefore, sum of angle A and angle C should be equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle A and angle C are complementary angles. Note, in triangle ABC, angle A plus angle B plus angle C is equal to 180 degree. Substitute 90 degree for angle B and theta degree for angle C in this equation. We get angle A plus 90 degree plus theta degree equal to 180 degree. Therefore, angle A is equal to 180 degree minus 90 degree minus theta degree. That is, angle A equal to 90 minus theta degree. Therefore, 90 minus theta degree is complementary angle for a given angle theta degree. Here we can conclude that in any right triangle, if measure of any angle other than right angle is theta degree, then measure of third angle should be equal to 90 minus theta degree. Now let us take first trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Prove that sin of 90 minus theta is equal to cos theta, where 0 degree less than theta degree less than 90 degree. This question can be asked for 2 marks. To prove this relation, let us draw a right triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, let measure of angle C be theta degree and angle B equal to 90 degree. Therefore, angle A equal to 90 minus theta degree. To prove sin of 90 minus theta equal to cos theta, let us define sin of 90 minus theta and cos theta. Observe here, for angle 90 minus theta, BC is opposite side, AB is adjacent side. For angle theta, AB is opposite side and BC is adjacent side. Okay, let us define sin of 90 minus theta. Sin 90 minus theta is equal to opposite side by hypotenuse side, that is BC by AC. Call this as equation number 1. Next, cos theta. Cos theta equal to adjacent side by hypotenuse side. That is cos theta equal to BC by AC. Call this as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, the value of sin of 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AC. Also, the value of cos theta equal to BC by AC. Therefore, sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. From equation 1 and 2, sin 90 minus theta equal to cos theta. Second trigonometric ratio of complementary angles. Prove that tan 90 minus theta equal to cot theta, where theta is an acute angle. Here also let us draw a right triangle ABC. In triangle ABC, let measure of angle CB theta degree and angle B be 90 degree. Therefore, measure of angle A should be 90 minus theta degree. Okay, let us consider tan of 90 minus theta degree. Observe here, for angle 90 minus theta, BC is opposite side, AB is adjacent side. Tan 90 minus theta is equal to BC by AB. Next, cot theta. Cot theta equal to adjacent side by opposite side. For angle theta, BC is adjacent side, AB is opposite side. Call this as equation number 2. From equation 1 and 2, tan theta equal to cot theta. So this is required equation. Now I will give you homework. Prove the following trigonometric ratios of complementary angles. Here theta is an acute angle. Cos 90 minus theta equal to sin theta. Cosecant 90 minus theta equal to secant theta. Secant 90 minus theta is equal to cosecant theta. Fourth one, cot 90 minus theta equal to tan theta.